Have you ever wondered what makes Oslo County a must-visit destination? Let's unlock the magic and mystery of this remarkable region. Nestled in Norway's heartland, Oslo County is an enchanting blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse attractions. It's a place where the past and the present coexist in harmonious balance, offering an immersive experience to those who tread its paths. Take a stroll through the expansive Vigeland Sculpture Park, home to over 200 sculptures that depict the human experience. Or lend your ears to the melodious notes of world-class opera and ballet performances at the stunning Norwegian Opera and Ballet. Dive deep into Viking history at the Viking Ship Museum, or let the tales of polar exploration at the Fram Museum leave you awestruck. Art enthusiasts, food lovers, history buffs, and adventure seekers, Oslo County has something for everyone. So buckle up as we take you on a day-long tour of Oslo County, showcasing its key attractions and activities. Our first stop is the Vigeland Sculpture Park, an expansive outdoor gallery showcasing human emotions. Nestled in the heart of Oslo, this park is a veritable symphony of stone and metal, brought to life by the creative genius of Gustav Vigeland. His vision has given birth to over 200 sculptures, each one a unique exploration of the human condition. From the throes of passion to the tranquility of contemplation, Vigeland's artistry captures the broad spectrum of human emotions in a way that is both profound and relatable. The park's beautifully landscaped gardens serve as the perfect backdrop, enhancing the allure of these timeless pieces of art. Each sculpture tells a story, a narrative of life's trials and triumphs, of love and loss, of joy and sorrow. They are a reflection of our shared human experience, frozen in time, yet eternally resonating with the viewer. This park is a testament to the beauty of human expression, captured in stone and bronze. Next, we move to the stunning Norwegian Opera and Ballet building, a beacon of world-class performances. This architectural marvel is as captivating as the performances it hosts. Located by the Oslofjord, the building is a testament to Norway's commitment to the arts. Its sleek design, reminiscent of an iceberg rising from the water, is a sight to behold. The building's roof slopes down to the waterfront, creating a plaza where visitors can take in the panoramic views of the fjord and the city. The interior is no less impressive. The main auditorium, designed to resemble a horseshoe, is a sight to behold. With its world-class acoustics, it provides an intimate setting for operas and ballets. The building also houses a smaller theater for experimental performances and a rehearsal hall that's often used for lunchtime concerts. Even if you're not an opera or ballet enthusiast, the architectural design of the building itself is worth a visit. But the cultural journey doesn't end here. Let's sail back in time to the era of the Vikings at the Viking Ship Museum. The museum houses 3 of the world's best-preserved Viking ships, discovered from burial mounds around the Oslofjord. These ships, which once sailed the high seas, are more than 1,000 years old and a testament to the Vikings' exceptional seafaring skills. The museum also displays a treasure trove of artifacts from the Viking Age, including sledges, beds, a horse cart, and even wooden carvings. Each artifact tells a story of the Viking lifestyle, their beliefs, and their rituals. The museum offers an immersive experience that takes you back to a time when the Vikings ruled the seas. From the melodious strains of opera to the echoes of Viking history, Oslo County offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or just a curious traveler, there's something for everyone in this vibrant county. Now we journey to the poles with the Fram Museum, a tribute to Norway's polar explorers. A testament to the audacity of human spirit and a reminder of the formidable nature of the poles, the Fram Museum tells the story of Norwegian polar expeditions. Central to the museum is the polar ship Fram, the sturdy vessel that carried explorers Fridtjof Nansen and Roald Amundsen on their daring voyages. Used in both Arctic and Antarctic regions, Fram is more than a ship. It's a symbol of Norway's legacy in polar exploration, The museum's exhibits take us on a journey through time, tracing the footsteps of these brave explorers. From the chilling Arctic to the icy wilderness of Antarctica, the Fram Museum brings to life the challenges and triumphs of polar exploration. Here, you can immerse yourself in a world of ice and snow, of courage and determination, and of the pioneering spirit that drove these explorers to venture into the unknown. But Oslo County isn't just about polar expeditions, it's also a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. From the icy landscapes of the poles, we transition to the warm, inviting halls of the National Gallery. Home to a vast collection of Norwegian and international art, the National Gallery is a haven for art lovers. Here, you'll find works by some of the world's most renowned artists, including Norway's own Edvard Munch. Wander through the gallery's corridors, and you'll be treated to a visual feast of paintings, sculptures, and installations. The National Gallery is more than a repository of art. It's a testament to the transformative power of creativity. It invites us to see the world through the eyes of artists, to experience their emotions, and to understand their perspectives. It's a place that challenges us, inspires us, and enriches our understanding of art and culture. In Oslo County, the journey from the poles to the palette is seamless. It's a place where the spirit of exploration meets the beauty of art, where history is alive and where culture thrives. Whether you're a fan of polar exploration or an art enthusiast, Oslo County has something for everyone. As we continue our tour, we head to the waterfront areas of Aker Brygge and Jøvholmen. These bustling spots are a blend of the modern and the traditional, where the city's rich history meets its vibrant present. Whether you're a shopaholic looking for the latest trends, a foodie eager to savor delectable dishes, or an art lover seeking contemporary masterpieces, you'll find it all here. Stroll along the harbor, where the gentle sea breeze carries the scent of the ocean and the laughter of happy visitors. The symphony of the city, the lapping waves, and the bustling crowd creates a captivating soundtrack for your exploration. Now, imagine dining at one of the many exquisite restaurants dotting the area. The taste of fresh, locally sourced seafood, paired with a glass of fine wine, under the soft glow of the setting sun. It's a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've left the table. But don't let the gastronomic delights distract you from the treasures of Jøvholmen. This area is a haven for art enthusiasts, housing some of the most intriguing contemporary art galleries. Each gallery is a world in itself, waiting to be discovered and admired. From the waterfront, we head towards the outskirts of the city to the Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Tower. This iconic location is a tribute to Norway's love for winter sports. The museum houses a fascinating collection of artifacts, each telling a unique story of adventure, resilience, and triumph. But the museum isn't the only attraction here. The Holmenkollen ski jump, a symbol of Norway's sporting spirit, towers over the landscape. A quick elevator ride takes you to the top, where you're greeted by panoramic views of Oslo and the surrounding areas. The city's skyline, the rolling hills, the vast sea, all spread out before you in a breathtaking spectacle. From bustling harbors to towering ski jumps, Oslo County truly offers a diverse range of attractions. Our final stop is the Royal Palace, a symbol of Norway's monarchy. Seated at the pinnacle of Karl Johans Gate, Oslo's main thoroughfare, this regal edifice exudes an aura of majesty. It is the official residence of the Norwegian monarch, a testament to the country's rich lineage of royal heritage. The palace invites admiration, not just for its grand architecture, but also for the beautiful gardens that surround it. These gardens, open to the public, provide a tranquil oasis where one can appreciate the harmonious blend of nature and royal grandeur. As we draw our journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the diverse attractions and activities that make Oslo County a must-visit destination. We've walked through the artistic lanes of Vigeland Sculpture Park, home to over 200 sculptures that narrate the human experience. We've marveled at the architectural masterpiece of the Norwegian opera and ballet, and delved into Viking history at the Viking Ship Museum. We've journeyed into the world of polar exploration at the Fram Museum and admired the extensive collection of art at the National Gallery. We've immersed ourselves in the bustling waterfront life at Aker Brygge and Tjuvholmen, and gazed at panoramic views from the Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Tower. Each of these experiences, unique in their own right, have offered us glimpses into the multifaceted character of Oslo County. From royal grandeur to vibrant neighborhoods, historic sites, and scenic parks, Oslo County is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. So, when are you planning your visit? As the sun sets over the majestic royal palace, we wrap up our virtual tour of Oslo County. We hope this journey has inspired you, sparked your curiosity, and perhaps even ignited a desire to explore this fascinating destination for yourself. Remember, the beauty of travel is not just in the destinations we visit, but also in the stories we gather, the experiences we live, and the memories we create. If you enjoyed this journey through Oslo County, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. We have many more destinations to explore together, and we can't wait to take you along. So, until we meet again, safe travels.